TV screens. You look up, one does, and say, where's the TV screen? The fucking brown against the white. Transistor to trans exist, her, and raptor wings blue note with frozen mouse in beakful. Until then you bruise yourself against the world. Saw through a knot, stone dropped over the flow with bird rock, oxygen glaciated boots and hot gloved hands lichen pink. Altitude, skin adorned her with rubber around wrists, and sticking it to Wordsworth, knife blade ice that cut through soil, Dorothea erratic rediffusion. Flocculent earth, valve hot, and single spinnet malt finger that cuts cut glass note, beats clear spots that gladed my foliage. Dogger skin, rebellious dermis, soul drunk for the hangover, and love for the tirade of pebbles. Doubling slate, me and you, my thumb thrusting through ashstick. V for verisimilitude, a bud coming in reference. A raindrop falls on me, and simultane tree 5 miles away, one less extant pelt, which rubs my bowsaw arc through offset tooth and phloem run red with indolence, indol entity, soft cut laminar flame bus strips to sign, green man, tree rings, coffee tables, mugs and televisions.